Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to show you an amazing easy-to-build home design perfect for owner-builders and DIY enthusiasts. This is the Beach Haven 117.8 LH, a modern, functional 2-bedroom home with 2 bathrooms, an open-plan living space, and a beautiful covered patio. At just 117.88 square meters, or 1,268 square feet, it's compact but packed with features. For anyone managing their own build, simplicity is key. The Beach Haven 117.8 LH has a straightforward, Skillion roof design for easy construction, a compact, efficient layout, modern open-plan living that maximizes space, minimal structural complexity. This makes it ideal if you're taking a hands-on approach to building your dream home. Let's walk through what makes this home so special. The home features 2 well-sized bedrooms, perfect for a small family, a couple, or even a beachside holiday home. Both rooms offer privacy and flexibility. 2 bathrooms make life easy for everyday living or when guests come over. The layout ensures functionality while maintaining a modern feel. The kitchen with a pantry is a dream for DIYers who love cooking. Plenty of bench space, smart storage, and an efficient workflow make it both practical and stylish. The open-plan living area connects the kitchen, dining, and lounge, creating a spacious feel and lots of natural light. It's ideal for entertaining, family time, or just relaxing. The laundry space is conveniently placed and functional, small but highly practical for daily use. And finally, the covered patio is perfect for outdoor living. Rain or shine, you can enjoy the fresh air, entertain friends, or just unwind with a view of your yard. What makes the Beach Haven 117.8 LH truly stand out is the combination of modern comfort and build simplicity. It's compact, functional, and affordable, yet it still includes everything you need for everyday living, plus that amazing outdoor space. Whether you're building your first home, a coastal retreat, or a DIY project, this plan makes life easier. If you want the concept plans or full construction plans for the Beach Haven 117.8 LH, check the link below. I also help DIY builders customize their plans, whether it's enlarging the patio, changing the roofline, or adjusting the layout. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest easy-to-build home designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next home design.